Once again, we are weather alert for the overnight hours, basically in a time frame from midnight Eastern to 6 a.m. Eastern. It won't last entirely 6 hours, but it's going to sweep on through from northwest to southeast during the overnight hours, first to the north and west after midnight, and then exiting to the southeast after 6 a.m. All modes of severe weather are possible. Damaging wind gusts, the main threat. A few isolated tornadoes cannot be ruled out. And of course, when you deal with a line or squall line of storms, downed trees, power outages, a big concern. So please make sure you've got multiple ways of receiving storm warnings, and those alert tones are turned way, way up so they can wake you up, as this threat will be during the overnight hours. Well, the area we're watching, these storms over southern Missouri back through Arkansas, start developing more in a line over the next couple of hours and dropping down to the south and east. Already, tornado watch boxes are out, and I have a feeling eventually during the night, our viewing area will be put under some sort of watch, whether it be severe thunderstorm or tornado late this evening and through the overnight hours. But really, if you have plans to be out this evening, the weather's just fine. Things don't deteriorate till after midnight. Here's the overall threat level north of Memphis, north of Nashville to St. Louis. That's at level 4. For us, there's sort of a breakdown, level 1 through level 3, but everybody has a risk of severe storms. The general theme here is a higher risk north and west, lower risk to the south and east, but nobody should let down their guard, because take a look, we all have a percentage chance of damaging wind gusts, a higher end threat here along the Cumberland Plateau, hard over viewing area under that 15% chance, and still to the south as the storms kind of weaken a bit, still a 5% chance. If you compare that to the tornado risk, yeah, the tornado risk is lower, yes, but it's not zero. Still a 2 to 5% chance. So a quick spin up along those lines, especially where there's a line break, that could happen, and we'll be watching for that. Also, a large hail threat covers a very large part of our viewing area from the state line north and west, 15% chance, much higher threat to the north and west, lower threat to the south and east, continuing that theme. Now, as far as the timing, again, for this evening, it's going to be warm, breezy, muggy. That's about it. This takes us through mid-evening, not much happening. We go towards, say, midnight, we start seeing storms affecting the Nashville metro area and rapidly moving south and east. Now, again, that forward speed is going to translate to very strong wind gusts at the surface as well. That's the reason why there's that big concern for the damaging gusts right along the leading edge. This is approximately 1 to 2 a.m. Timing may still fluctuate with this, but from 1 to about 3 o'clock, getting close to the city. Again, that leading edge could be where those severe storms are. Say between 3 and 4:30, a rapid movement down to the south and east. And notice by the 5 a.m. hour, 5 to 6, it is exiting to the south and east. By sunrise, all the storms are out of here. So if you have plans during the day Saturday for outdoors, looks fine. This takes us through sunrise Saturday. Most of the storms have moved out. Most of the day tomorrow, partly sunny, warm, and breezy with highs upper 80s. Sunday, though, could have some outdoor interruptions, especially early. This is during the early morning hours. Sunday, showers, some thunder, very low severe threat, but it does mean a wet start to your Sunday. I don't see it being all day. It's just early. By the afternoon, things do improve, and temperatures back into the mid-80s. So tomorrow, again, all the storms are pre-dawn. The rest of the day tomorrow is a very summer-like day. Warm, humid, and breezy with highs in the upper 80s. It's that early morning threat for severe weather. Otherwise, in the days ahead, showers and thunder for Sunday and Monday. I want you to notice late next week. By Wednesday, another cold front rolls on by. Behind that front, as we approach the Memorial Day weekend, it's going to be much cooler. Highs barely near 70 and lows in the low 50s.
Alrighty,